Hello everyone, my name is Lorelai L. Mascardo, and today we will be talking about the angular movement, one of the types of movements at synovial joints here at our shoulders. But first, let us know what synovial joints are.
Synovial joints are freely movable diarthrosis, a two-layer joint capsule, also called an articular joint capsule, surrounds the synovial joint. This capsule is continuous with the periostea of the articulating bones. The joint capsule contains an inner synovial membrane and an outer fibrous capsule. This membrane does not cover the articulating surfaces within the joint, which are protected by articular cartilage.
Examples of angular movement include flexion, extension, abduction, and adduction.
Flexion is the movement in the sagittal plane that decreases the angle between articulating bones. Extension is the opposite of flexion. It occurs in the same plane, but it increases the angle between articulating bones.
Next part is the abduction and adduction.
With reference to the anatomic position, wherein the body is standing upright, the hands are at the sides with the palms facing forward, the feet are together, and the head is neutral looking forward. Abduction is the movement away from the midline or the longitudinal axis of the body in the frontal plane, while adduction is the movement towards the midline or the longitudinal axis of the body in the frontal plane, or in other words, moving the arm back into its anatomic position.
To help us remember the terms,
let us view abduction as an alien abduction, taking our arm away from the body, while adduction as adding the arm to the size of our body.
in addition to the angular movements that applies to our shoulder, we have circumduction.
Circumduction is a complete circular movement. Moving our arms in a loop, such as drawing a large circle in this bond paper, is circumduction. The hand moves in a circle, but the arm does not rotate.
These movement terms are something that we will have to keep in mind because this will help us in documenting things like range of motion and functional movement. I hope everyone had fun watching, and we will see each other next time.